This is a short video about understanding the impact of interest rates on the consumer spendings and investments. We'll start with the first factor, consumer debt. When the interest rates are high, cost of borrowing becomes more expensive, which discourages individuals from taking debt. But when the interest rates drop, loans become cheaper, encouraging consumers to borrow and spend more, ultimately stimulating economic activity. Now, the second point is big ticket purchase. Big purchases like cars and homes are very sensitive to interest rates. So, when the interest rates are low, it becomes cheaper for the individuals to take loans or use credit cards to finance their purchases. On the other hand, higher interest rates discourage consumers from making such significant purchases, impacting the related industry. Now, after this, the third point is investment choices and savings. When interest rates rise, consumers often shift their behavior from spending to saving, which means putting more money into their future goals or unexpected expenses. Whereas decreasing rates encourage more of spending or consumption because interest rate earned is low. Fourth factor is investment preferences. Now, between fixed income and equity, fixed income investments become more attractive in an increasing interest rate environment. And in the decreasing interest rate scenario, investors reallocate their money from fixed income to equity. And the fifth point is about the foreign investors. So interest rates does have influence on the exchange rate of the country's currency. When the rates are high, foreign investors may be attracted to invest in that country to take the advantage of high returns, which can lead to the appreciation of the currency, and vice versa when the interest rates are low. So this is how interest rates impact the consumer behavior. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next video.